Timothy woke up feeling well, without a headache. We took extra time to rest at the motel.
I just met this gentleman here, Stephen from British Columbia, here in Yucca Valley. He also is an avid motorcycle traveler, and why don't you just say briefly about what you're doing up there and what kind of rides you did?
I'm retired now, and I used to be in the health business and do all this kind of fun stuff, and I love motorcycling. My wife and I get out and travel quite a bit on the bike across BC and Alberta, and I've gone down to Sturgis last year. It was amazing, all the rides in the US. I just can't get enough of it, but unfortunately I can only go as much as I can at this point in time. But meeting Michael here and his son, look at this guy here, he's only 13 years old and he's traveling around with his dad. This is an amazing adventure that these gentlemen are going on.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Well, thank you so much.
Great to meet you.
Okay, me too.
I gave him a postcard of my book as a souvenir. Our plan today is to ride to Big Bear Lake and Lake Arrowhead on our way back home to La Cañada. The weather forecast showed temperatures in the 40s, cloudy conditions, and a 40% chance of rain. Undeterred, we pressed on.
Okay, so we left Yucca Valley this morning, a little bit late, around 11, because we need some extra rest. And we're stopping here for gas on our way up to Big Bear Lake and to Lake Arrowhead and head back home to La Cañada. We're stopping for gas right here.
The weather in the Big Bear Lake Mountains was chilly, especially with the wind chill factor. There were no restaurants open in the town of Fawnskin when we stopped for lunch.
Okay, we just arrived here in the town of Fawnskin in the north shore of Big Bear Lake. And all the restaurants are closed here in this town because it's weekday and it's kind of off season. So we're just gonna grab some frozen burritos and pizza for lunch. And so Timothy is heating up the frozen pizza and sandwich here using a microwave. How was the ride up here today?
It's cold.
You have to open the ends so it doesn't blow up. Two minutes?
2 minutes and 50 seconds. Alright?
Yeah, that's enough.
Then, we had a lunch at a picnic table near a marina overlooking the beautiful Big Bear Lake and snow-capped mountains. Hunger makes a good meal.
Okay, we just arrived here at this marina by the Big Bear Lake on the north shore, and we're just gonna have a picnic lunch down there at the picnic table. We just bought some frozen burrito and sandwich, some orange juice and milk for a quick lunch. There was no restaurants open here, so yeah. So it's a pretty chilly day right here, 56 degrees, and wind chill factor makes it feel like about 45 right now. Hey Timothy, how's the frozen microwave food? Pretty good? Are you hungry? Okay, so let's see what we got. We got frozen chimichanga shredded steak sandwich, Hot Rockets pepperoni pizza,
Hot pocket.
Hot pocket, yeah. And some roast beef sandwich. And what are you eating there? Is that pizza?
Pizza.
Okay. And some chocolate milk. Or
Strawberry
regular
milk.
milk. And then some oranges for me. How is it?
Good.
It's heating you up, huh? Good. And it's not a bad place to have a picnic lunch right here. So this is the Hot Pocket pepperoni pizza microwave. It's pretty hot. It's not bad for a microwave hot meal. It will tie us over till we get home later today.
We then rode through the low clouds through the mountains near Lake Arrowhead and headed toward Phelan at the edge of Mojave Desert. We then rode through the Angeles Crest Highway across the Angeles National Forest and arrived home safely right before the rain starts to come down.
So we're almost back home to La Cañada. We're taking a short break here at the corner of Mount Emma Road and Angeles Forest Highway near Palmdale, which is that way, and La Cañada, which is that way over these mountains. So yeah, we're probably like 30-40 minutes away from home, and we're just taking a stretch break. Timothy is on his iPhone as usual. How you doing, Timothy? Visor up. How you doing?
Good.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite?
Dirt bike.
Okay. You did good job. I was very proud of you. Good job.
Sunny and my mother welcomed us home, glad that we made it back home safely. We had traveled over 800 miles through the hot deserts and cold mountains of Southern California during the last 4 days. I was convinced that this was a milestone for both Timothy and me, a huge one. Despite the fear and anxiety about this trip, I was very happy to have taken a father and son motorcycle trip, which I'm sure Timothy will remember with fond memories for the rest of his life. I want to encourage all of you to embrace the life of adventure.
All right, we just got home safely. It's almost 6 o'clock. Perfect timing because it started to rain a little bit here in La Cañada. So good job, Timothy. Me fine. Okay, we unloaded our luggages and put away the camping stuff and put out all the stuff inside. So that was a great trip. Great father and son adventure trip for 4 days to Southern California through the deserts of Mojave and Colorado River and Joshua Tree National Park. Okay, bye. Next time.
This is the last of the Part 4 series on father and son motorcycle trip. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.